In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Confluence password. You might find yourself needing to do this for a variety of reasons, whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to enhance your account's security. Regardless of why you're here, I'm going to guide you through each step to ensure you can complete this process smoothly and efficiently. First, let's begin at your Confluence homepage. This is the central hub where all your Confluence activities begin. Once you're here, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing personal settings and account details. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Account Settings. Navigating to your account settings is crucial because this is where all your personal preferences and security options reside. Give yourself a moment to become familiar with this environment, as it's where you'll make key changes to your account. Now that you're in your account settings, look for the Security section. Clicking on Security is an important step because this is where you'll manage your password and other security settings. Once you're in the security section, you'll need to enter your current password. This is a security measure to ensure that it's really you making these changes. So, go ahead and input your current password into the designated field. Having successfully entered your current password, it's time to choose your new password. When creating a new password, consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a strong and secure password that would be difficult for others to guess. Remember, your security is paramount. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by entering it again to ensure there are no typos. Double-checking your new password is a simple but vital part of this process to avoid any potential issues when logging in later. At this point, you're just one step away from completing the password reset process. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This action finalizes your new password and updates your account settings. Once you save your changes, you'll be all set with a brand new password. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Confluence password. Whether you're changing it for security reasons or trying to regain access, this method will have you back on track in no time. Remember to keep your new password in a safe place or use a trusted password manager to keep your credentials secure. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to revisit this video if you need help in the future. Enjoy navigating Confluence with peace of mind.